Hey, welcome to BM World Review here, back with another video. Today, we do have Town Hauler and Land Rover 90 Defender. I'm very happy to have these two. I looked at these two in the store. They are pretty cool diecast. So let's take a look at the front. So of course we have the names right here, which I already just said. There's a picture of them right here. Hot Wheels, monster trucks, double bed, and then you have the two trucks right here. You have this nice blue packaging. And let's see who's on the back now. So here's the back. You have the We'll Trash It All and dump truck. I don't know what the dump truck's called. You got two Bigfoots, and then you got the Nintendo, Donkey Kong, and Bowser, which is pretty cool. Here's a barcode if you need it. That's mostly it, guys. Let's get it open. Let's get it out of the package. Let's go. Fucking fun. Okay. Let's start with this one. So, this one has like a brown dirt kind of color. Like a red dirt, kind of brownish. It has like this black color right here. Drew out the casting instead of the dirt. It says number 90. It has the Hot Wheels logo. Land Rover logo. Defender. Because it's the Defender. And here's the door right here. There's a door right there. You got 90, Land Rover. I think that says Defender right there. What does that say? I think that's supposed to say Defender, but I can't tell. It's too small. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It has Defender on the front. It got shovels, right? Like a arrow? No, that's a shovel. Right there. Some kind of chains. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Like I said, it's like all mudded up. And like, it looks like it's ready to go off-roaded anytime it wants. So, it's pretty cool. And it does have headlight detailing right there, if you can tell. Like I said, it's pretty cool. I like it. The other one is the Town Hauler, which is kind of like this more racing, demolition kind of derby, off-roading thing. And it's not actually licensed. It's like a made-up fantasy casting from Hot Wheels. It does, like, it feels like this is actual dirt right here. Like, it has, like, a mad feeling for the dirt, which is pretty cool. Like all throughout the casting. But yeah, it's 22 Hot Wheels. It got some sponsors right there. It says Hot Wheels Monster Trucks. Like I said, this is more like a demolition kind of off-road racing kind of truck. It has Hot Wheels on the tires. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. It's got the same sponsors in that little thing right there. You guys can actually get a good look on them. But yeah, like I said, that it's a pretty cool truck. I really like it. It has a little bit of dirt and stuff on the windshield, mud and stuff, dirt and mud. Pretty cool. Now it's different than the other truck's dirt, but maybe they face off in a different arena. Who knows? But yeah, like I said, that's probably the only thing wrong with this pack is that they're both kind of different dirt style. This one goes darker. This one's kind of lighter. So I think I would have preferred if the dirt that was splashed on this one was a little bit more kind of like this dirt or this sand or whatever. So that way it would have been in the same, what's it called? Thing. Anyway, this has been a more review here, signing out. See y'all next time.